So I just got in. I alerted it into the Discord. I mean, right now, Apple does not want to reject. So far I'm still holding Apple, but I just got into some SPY calls. 1.20 filled, and this is gonna be the last trade. So let me just put that right there. So 1.20. This is the last trade though. 589 call, 1.20. That's the last trade. And we'll see. We'll see what happens. I want to target at least the supply zone. That's the area that we sold off previously, which is right here. So if I zoom out a little bit, that's an area that pretty much, yeah, I can target. It's a sell-off. And so far, yeah, we're going to be in this 589 call for right now. Filled it at 120. So yes, kind of pricey though on these, but we'll see what happens. And if we do run up above this candlestick, which is 589.54, then I'm going to just move my stop loss. But right now, the stop loss is going to be on this demand zone. All right. Or inside of this demand zone. So right now, we're on those calls on 589s. And yes, I threw in quite a few contracts on these. We'll see. So 589 calls at $1.20 per contract. Same day expiration, just gave the alert in the RZ trades. Yeah, kind of sized in on this one. Kind of sized in. So I'm up 600 on these. So pretty much break even though, like for the day. I mean, if I do close for a gain right here, that's pretty much break even because Apple, it's down 590 and SPY call is at 700 right now, but not a so good market though. Not a really, really great market. But yeah, we're on 589 calls on SPY. And yeah, so since price already came up and hit this one area, I'm just gonna move this a little bit more right here. And we're going to see what happens. It looks like the market wants to just rip for a little bit. So 589 calls on SPY. So these are pretty much printing right now. Yeah, I just don't like the way that Apple moved today. I really don't. So hopefully we can hit like 590.50 on SPY. Yeah, so SPY is running right now. I'm gonna take a few off because I did size in. I did size in on these calls. SPY calls at 50%. Am I still in Apple? I just said I just sold for a loss in RZ trades. So I took 599 loss. So $600 loss on Apple. Because remember how I sized in earlier on Apple? I said I was gonna buy it more. So I took that loss. So we'll see if SPY can hit at least 590.50 at the top. I'm still in those calls on the runners, but I still have a very good few on SPY calls right now. Am I happy with the results on Apple? I'm not. I'm really not happy with the results on Apple. Um, so one lesson that I pretty much should take down, like pretty much just put in my notes, is that okay, Apple didn't really break below the support. So the next time I should really just wait for it to actually just break below the support. And also I'm gonna keep it easy on myself when it comes down to sizing in without, breaking a key level. So SPY right now on the left-hand side though is just bursting and just blasting off. And so this is just what it is when it comes down to day trading and scalping, is that yes, you can trade multiple stocks, but SPY and also Apple, you can just see that they're pretty much, they tend to move the same, but right now SPY just holding within its price levels. And so the summary of today was just pretty much a loss on Apple, but a win on SPY. And that just happened within the last 10 minutes. And so you could just see based off this demand zone right here, we've just been holding that level. So far right now, SPY is just pushing up insane. Yeah, so yeah, green for today. I mean, really sized in on the SPY calls, on the 589s. But like I said, I didn't like that bounce. I didn't like that bounce on Apple.